Alright, so I have some eggs here. I'm just going to crack them into a bowl. I'm going to make about 3 eggs. Let's do 3. Okay. I just break the yolks like that, just so it's easier to whisk. I just use a fork and whisk them. Now to this, I'm going to add some milk. And what the milk does, and it doesn't have to be milk, it can be water too. What the milk does is make it really light and fluffy eggs, which is wonderful. We're gonna add a little teeny bit of salt to it. So just a pinch, which is like less than 1/8 of a teaspoon, is not much at all. Just a little bit. Okay, put that in there. Now I'm gonna add some freshly ground black pepper, and that's just to your taste. You can add as much or as little as you like, okay? Now you'll never see me, ever, use ground pepper. You've probably seen it, it's like powder ground pepper. You don't want it, it's gross, okay? The reason why is because there's basically no flavor to it. It's just all ground into this fine powder and you really don't get anything out of it. I like the freshly ground black pepper because you have, first of all, it's aesthetically pleasing. It just looks nice to have those little specks of pepper in it. At least it does to me, okay? But also, it just has more flavor. It's fresh, you know. Who knows how long that ground pepper has been sitting there, you know, and the finer you grind it, the quicker it is to lose its freshness. So definitely use fresh ground black pepper. And you can find it in any store where all the spices are. It's always there, okay? All right, so now I added my milk, my salt, and my pepper, and I just give it another whisk. Whisk, 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 whisk. Now I'm also going to add to this some, cheese, just some shredded cheese. This is mozzarella, but you can use any kind of cheese you like, whatever's your favorite. I like to add cheese to my scrambled eggs, and I'm only going to add a couple tablespoons to this. Okay, just eyeball it, doesn't have to be perfect. If you're not sure about the amount, just get your tablespoons out, and once you get the hang of it, you'll know, okay? But I like to add cheese to my scrambled eggs because it makes it super light and fluffy. It's really, really good. But you don't have to. It's not necessary. As long as you add the milk or the water to it, that's all you really need. Okay, that's what makes it super fluffy. All right, so our pan is heated. Like I said, it was medium-low. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. It seems a bit hot. Just trying to cool it off a little. Got a little too hot. Oh, I was talking to you. All right, I have some cooking spray here. You can use any kind of fat you like. Olive oil, butter. I've even used baking grease before. It's so good. Now with the baking grease, you would just want to use that for special occasions, which I do. I don't do it all the time. It's just for special occasions. But it really is quite good. But any kind of fat is what you need, okay? So I'm going to use cooking spray. I'm just going to give it a little bit of spray. And I'm going to grab my spatula over here. And you're just going to pour it in to your pan. You see it sizzled up like that. Perfect. Now this is a heat-resistant spatula, so the plastic isn't going to melt. Okay, that's what you're looking when you go spatula shopping. Look for that. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the spatula and scrape the sides like that, and then you're just going to start moving the spatula just like that, just kind of in a back and forth motion. Like that. And all the raw egg starts to fill into those little holes. The thing with scrambled eggs is that you want to keep them moving. Okay, you don't want to pour it in the pan, walk away. No, you have to stay with it, okay? And keep stirring it. Okay, and it takes a little bit of patience to get that light fluffiness. Man, that smells good. Yum, yum. Moving it around. All right, perfect. And then right before it sets, You can add more cheese. You can add some herbs, whatever you want. I'm gonna add a little bit more cheese. And then, that's it, folks. You have light, fluffy, delicious scrambled eggs. Look at that. Ooh. Don't want to miss any. It's too good to waste. Yum, 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 yum. Anyway, okay, so there we go. There's scrambled eggs.